Hey learners, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are fine and ready for today's video. So in previous videos we had learned how the body's addition fingering, subtraction fingering and values of beats, and also we have solved some sums. Yes, so today we will do very easy and simple calculation by Abacus kit. So without wasting time, let's start our video. Okay friends, so before starting our video, I want to show you something. Okay, let's hide it. Look at this old book. Actually, it is the book of third level. Okay, now I want to show you another book. This is the book of fourth level, as you can see. And now I know that you already know about these books. Yes, these are speed writings. This is actually my old one and this is today's new book. So friends, look, today we will do the sums of basic level. Means what is basic level? Actually we can say foundation as a basic level. Okay, so today we will do the calculations of foundation book A. Let's start it. So friends, let's start our calculations. Question number 1. Here first we have to do 1. Now remember that these all are single digit, means yes, they are single digit numbers. So we will only set these numbers in one slot. Remember that this is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands and so on. Now we will set number 1. Plus 1 right thumb. Okay, now what we have to add next? Yes, that is 8. How we will set 8? With the help of pinching fingers. So plus 8 is equals to 5 plus 3 means plus 8. Now we will set this in one slot because we have to write 1 plus 8. Let's do it. Plus 8 means 5 plus 3. Okay. Next, minus 5. So, if we have to do plus 5 or minus 5, we will only use middle finger. Now, minus 5, right middle finger. So, our answer is 4. Let's clear it and write the answer here. 4. Now, question number 2. That is, first of all, we have to set 6. How we will set 6? Yes, we will set by 5 plus 1, 6. Means here 6. Then minus 5. Minus 5, right middle finger. Then plus 2. Plus 2, right thumb. Our answer is 3. Then question number 3. So we have to set 3 here. Plus 3, right thumb. Then minus 2. How we will do minus? Okay, we will do with the help of index finger. Minus 2, right index finger. Then 8. As we already know how to set 8. 8 means 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Our answer is 9. Let's write it. 9. Then I hope you are understanding these questions. Let's do it very quickly. Okay. Question number 4. How should we set 9 first? 9 means 5 plus 4 by pinching finger. 9. Then minus 5. Minus 5 middle finger. Then minus 2. Minus 2 by right index. Minus 2. Our answer is yes, 2. Then question number 5. Plus 4. Plus 4, right thumb. Then minus 3. Minus 3, right index. Then plus 6. How we will do 6? 5 plus 1 by pinching finger. That is our 6. Then our answer is 7. Let's do 7. We have to set 7 like this. Then plus 2. Then minus 5 is equals to 4. Then question number 7. we have to set 9. 9 by pinching, then minus 4. Minus 4 right index, okay. Then plus 1 is equals to 6. So here 6. Then question number 8, we have to first of all set 8. Am I right? Yes. Then minus 3. Minus 3, then plus 4. It is 9. Then question number 9, that is 2 plus 2, then minus 1, then plus 8, that is 9. Then question number 10, 6, 6, then plus 3 minus 5, that is 4. So like this we have to do the sums. Plus 1, then plus 8 minus 4 is equals to 5. Then question number 12. Okay, next one. 1 plus 7 minus 3. It is 5. Next. 2 minus 1 plus 7. That is 8. Next, 4 minus 3 plus 8, 9. Next, 5 minus 5 plus 9, so it will be 9. Then this 9 minus 5 minus 1, that is 3. Next one, 3 minus 2 plus 6, it is 7. So here 7. Then 18, 1, 6. 6 minus 5 plus 7, 8. This is 2 plus 7 minus 2, 7. Then 28 minus 5 plus 6, it is 9. So friends, I want to share you one tip. Okay, as you can see here, question number 15. Here 5 minus 5. We already know that 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So we don't need to calculate it. We just do on next number, that is 9. Okay, so see, answer is 9 only. And same happens in question number 19. Here 2 minus 2, we can see that 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we don't need to calculate this. We just want to calculate this number, that is 7. So answer will be 7. So by this we can make our sum more easy and save our time. So friends, I want to advise you that practice these sums more and more so that your speed will be improved. And by this way we are ending today's video. So if you like my video, if you find my video useful, so please subscribe my channel and you can find my all videos. So bye bye.